Jed here to talk about GoToAdmin, the go-to administration portal. In this video, I'll show you how to navigate the portal. After that, please view our online resources for even more information. GoToAdmin can be accessed at this site. I've already signed in as the administrator Lance Bingham, and this is the home page. Take note that you may see different icons here, depending on what solutions are available with your go-to plan. Let's talk about the button and icons located in the top right corner, and let's begin by clicking the profile picture. This displays what user you've signed in as. You can manage your profile from here or sign out. Next to your profile picture is an icon with a series of boxes. That is the app switcher. From here, you can instantly jump to another site that you have access to, like the billing portal or contact center. Solutions like GoToConnect, GoToTraining, and GoToWebinar utilizes the GoTo desktop app. The web version of the app can be accessed at this site. The Help section, as the name implies, is where you can go if you have questions. The Setup section provides a list of the things you need to have configured correctly to get your system up and running. Also take note of the global search bar. It is incredibly useful when searching for a particular setting or feature in GoToAdmin. Let's talk about the options on the left sidebar. This account has been set up for voice products. From the Home section, you can see information like what products you have, the status of current orders, and your system health. You can see your current users from the People section and add new ones if needed. You can also access the roles and permissions. User groups are helpful if you want to apply a setting to an entire group. While here, let me demonstrate some filtering, sorting, bulk edit, and search options that are available in most of the tabs on the left sidebar. Clicking the Add Filter button provides the chance to create a custom filter. As far as sorting goes, click on each column heading to organize the list according to that selection. When it comes to changing settings for things like multiple users or devices, you can do that individually, but there is a better way. In this case, multiple users can be selected. After selecting them, click the More icon, which looks like 3 dots stacked on top of each other. And then, you can choose the attribute or setting you'd like to change. Be sure to click Save if you've made any changes. Again, you'll see different icons on this left sidebar depending on what solutions you've purchased for your account. Clicking each icon will allow you to further manage the settings and services related to those products. For example, the Phone System section has several options and subheadings organized by type. From here, you can do things like manage direct extensions, set up your virtual dial plan, create a virtual fax machine, manage your audio library for hold music and sound clips, as well as manage your contact center. You can also port and order new phone numbers, as well as view usage reports. If you were to click on either devices or locations, you would see the pages organized in a similar fashion. Finally, let's talk about settings. These are organized according to product type. They are then further categorized by common groups. It should be noted that these are the default settings for your system. However, if you are looking for individual settings, you'll need to click on a specific user or device to access those. Again, this has been a quick tour of how to navigate GoToAdmin. Please view our online resources for additional help.